this year alone, I generated a revenue of $23,000 for the year, and the year is not even over yet. I did that working my notary business part-time, and that has truly changed my life. Hello, my name is Berjoh, and I am located in sunny Florida. I wanted to share my journey with you guys regarding the loan signing system. Before I decided to take the loan signing system, I was working full-time with a company for 7 long years. For the most part, it was good, but the last 2 years had me questioning if I was truly loving what I did. Okay, now I'm a firm believer in doing what brings you joy, and sadly, I fell out of love with my job. That is when I found a new passion, which is notary work. So I was working full-time with my job and operating my notary business part-time. Now, a friend of mine, she's the one who suggested that I take the loan signing system course. And at first I was a bit hesitant because a year prior, I had already taken a loan signing course. So I was already a signing agent and doing loan signing work. So to me, I was like, I don't see why I need to take an additional course. But she assured me that taking the course would be a game changer because she had taken the course. And she said that it could help me take my notary business to a whole new level. So I'm listening. I'm like, okay, I'm listening. You know, I was intrigued. And so I went ahead and signed up and gave it a shot. And let me tell you guys, I am so glad that I did, because this year alone, I generated a revenue of $23,000 for the year, and the year is not even over yet. So I did that working my notary business part-time. Since taking the course, I have happily been able to transition to doing notary full-time. And that has truly changed my life. All right, I'm finally doing what I love. Now, I know you might be wondering, is the loan signing system worth the money? Is it worth it for me? And I absolutely believe it is. It's a game changer. It's not just a course. All right. So if you are ready to do the work and become successful, I encourage you to go and sign up right now for the loan signing system. It has changed my life. And Mark Wills, thank you so much.